Good evening, everybody. Today I am going to teach you 10 lines on good manners. Good manners can be described as behavior of a person with other people with courtesy and politeness. Good manners transform a human being into a civilized human being. Good manners define a behavioral pattern which is socially accounted and acceptable as well as respected. Teaching good manners to the children is a process which is nearly associated with the overall development of their personality. Child first learns manners at home through his elders. He sees them while they are present in the home. From the instructions and examples which we give to him, a basic understanding is developed in his mind that how should I behave and interact with others. Now I want to show the good manners. Okay, va? Now listen here, children. Good manners tell us how we must behave with others in a respectable and a polite way. Good manners tell us how we must behave with others in a respectful and a polite way. Okay, the second one is it includes our thinking, behavior, gesture and way of talking with others. It includes our thinking, behavior, gesture and way of thinking with others. The third one is it converts a normal human being into a civilized being a noble man. Now I am going to show this fourth one. Good manners are included in the children at a very young age. While teaching good manners to children, always cute examples are the best way to make them learn. Always stand and guess when someone comes to your home and at the time when he leaves. Okay, then always ask may I before taking something from someone and always reply with please if someone asks to take something from you. When someone offers something to you, in order to greet him, reply with thank you. When a child wants to say something, before that say excuse me. Never interrupt two persons while they are talking. At the last one, don't try to impose your opinion on others. Respect their opinion and listen to them also. Okay, children, you must practice well at home how to behave elders. Okay, children, I hope you have understood this nicely. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. All the best. Bye bye.